Hello and welcome back to another Stonksy video. So today we're going to be looking at the new bot strategies, both for the high frequency and the low frequency bot that we run on BLOFIN for users that trade on their behalf. But before we get into that, do make sure you drop a big like on the video. Please do subscribe, and of course, check the links in the description. Sign up to BLOFIN to get your non-KYC account today. It takes under 60 seconds to create one. And of course, we are still running the 20% off the monthly plan on Stonksy at the time of recording. It is this plan that you see on the screen here. You get 20% off your first month, which takes it down to £116. And you get absolutely everything in that package. The indicator, the oscillator, the Discord server, and of course the bots that we're going to be looking at today. So do make sure you take advantage. Link and code is in the description for that. And when you've watched this video, you can hop over and get access to these bots that we're looking at today. So let's get into it and have a look now. So the image that you see on screen is the strategy test of the high frequency bot. This is the strategy that we've just updated on the high frequency bot on BLOFIN for users. And as you can see, here is all the data. So we are fully transparent at Stonksy. We tell all users exactly what the profitability and the testing is on each bot. Now, as you can see, the bot has returned a total of 12.2% across 25 trades, with profitable trades being 64.62%, with a profit factor of 2.327. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's had a max drawdown of 3.09%, so that at any time, that was the drawdown of the margin in the trading account. As you can see, it started off with $100 and ran all the way up to $112.2. Now, this is a high frequency bot. So what does this mean? This means it's took 25 trades, but it gets in and out of trades very quickly. So this 12.2%, obviously if you had $1,000 in your trading account following the bot, then you would have returned $120. Yeah, so but this comes across very quick. This isn't just on a long-term time frame, and that would have covered pretty much all of the cost of a monthly plan across the returns on this bot. And of course, you can then compound it, so you can look to increase the margin in each trade that the bot is taking to really get that compounding efficiency on the bot, and of course reap the rewards of the high frequency bot. So obviously you can see it on the chart for yourself, the performance of the high frequency bot, but obviously this isn't the only bot that we use. We have 2 running at the moment, and we have free will to introduce as many bots as we want. But with the bots being under our control and under our customization, we can switch up the strategies. So obviously, like I mentioned before, this is the latest strategy that we're running on the high frequency bot. And as you can see for yourself, the results speak for themselves when users are following the high frequency bot as they are. Now, next up on the screen is the low frequency bot. Now, as you can see, this has a bigger profit factor. This has got returns of 23.69% across 60% profitable trades, with the bot taking a total of 30 trades during this strategy tester. So the max equity drawdown was larger than the high frequency bot because it's 19.91%, and it has a profit factor of 1.784. Now, the differences between the high frequency bot and the low frequency bot are pretty simple. It's as you'd suggest, it's in the name. The high frequency bot takes more trades and enters and exits them faster. The low frequency bot looks for high probability, higher time frame trades. So it takes less trades, but as you can see, it looks for them trades that are got the highest probability of being profitable and also catching the bigger moves. So that's why it's got a better P&L percentage, but potentially a bigger drawdown because it stays in the trade for longer. So it rides out the move. And then obviously most of the time, as you can see, 60% returning a profit factor of 23.69%. It catches the bulk of the bigger moves in the market. So this is us being completely transparent with you watching it, our users, and exactly how we run the bots. We run the bots with the #1 aim of making users money. And of course, it opens and closes trades on behalf of users, but there is still customization. As discussed in previous videos, users can adopt a percentage P&L take profit, a specific dollar amount P&L take profit alongside stop losses, or when a trade is open, if they go on and say, oh, that's in a nice bit of profit, they can manually close that trade and just wait for the bot to open the next one as well. So alongside the bot doing everything on the user behalf, if they wish, it also has customization and more of a manual effect if a user wants to say close it at a certain amount P&L or close it manually, whatever they wish, they can do that as well. But take a look for yourself, pause the video and look at both strategies for the high frequency and the low frequency, and see for yourself the results and exactly what strategy we're running on both and why we are looking to really scale this up into A really unique product for Stonksy. We're not only offering an indicator and oscillator, we also offer a real community feel with the Discord server, but also trading bots in all of the packages on the monthly, the annually, and the lifetime. It is only the oscillator plan that you don't get access to the bots. So that's everything for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you do drop a like on it, do subscribe, and like I mentioned at the start of the video, we still are running the 20% off the monthly plan at the time of recording. So if you do want to come and get results like this on the high frequency, the low frequency, or you do get to follow both bots if you want, you can follow both at the same time. Do make sure you take advantage of that in the description. And of course, if you're looking to trade anywhere, do sign up to BLOFIN. That is the first link in the description. But that's everything for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.